Mihira, I'm handing over Mr. Paul, a 65-year-old male with a recent diagnosis of deep vein thrombosis. He's on low molecular weight heparin and compression stockings. His right calf is swollen and tender. He's been on bed rest but can mobilize with assistance. Monitor for signs of pulmonary embolism, like shortness of breath or chest pain. Ensure adequate hydration. He's due for another ultrasound in 2 days.
Understood. I'll assess his mobility and pain levels. I'll also check for any changes in the swelling or redness of his calf.
MIHIRA, the purpose of managing end-stage renal disease is to help you maintain a good quality of life and live as long as possible while keeping the complications of your condition under control. This isn't just about the numbers on a lab report. It's about making sure you feel as well as you can. When your kidneys are no longer working, they can't effectively filter waste and fluid from your blood. This can lead to a dangerous buildup of potassium, known as hyperkalemia, which can severely affect your heart's rhythm. It can also cause fluid overload, leading to swelling and putting a strain on your heart and lungs, which can be very uncomfortable and even life-threatening. By carefully managing these issues, we can protect your heart and blood vessels from the long-term stress caused by your condition. Effective management is also deeply connected to what matters most to you. The goal is to align your treatment with your personal wishes and goals for your life. This means we will discuss what you hope to achieve with your care, whether that's more energy to spend with your family, the ability to travel, or simply feeling more comfortable day to day. We will explore your preferences for treatment, whether it is dialysis, a transplant, or focusing on comfort care alone. The plan we create will be a shared one, built on your preferences and what you find most important. It's a partnership where we work together to ensure your treatment not only addresses the medical aspects of your disease, but also enhances your life in ways that are meaningful to you.